This is homework number 3. Okay, so the first part, it says, here's a number in standard notation. Write it in exponential form. So the easy cheat way of doing it is we write our base and then we count our zeros. 1, 2, 3. My exponent is 3. 10 to the third power is my answer. Over here, we can still just count our zeros. Okay, so another way of really writing this is 10 times 10, which is 100, times 10. How many times are we multiplying 10 together? 3 times. We have 3 zeros. So 10 to the third is our final answer. Okay, again, count our zeros. We have 10 as our base and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 as our exponent. All right, so this bottom part here, we are taking numbers that are being multiplied by exponents and we're writing them in standard form. Okay, so what they did up here, we have 4 times 10 to the second power. So 4 times 10 to the second power is the same thing as 100. 4 times 100 is 400. Okay, so one way you can do it is you can write it out. So 64 times 10 to the fourth power is 10,000, right? We have our 4 zeros. 64 times 10,000 is 640,000. Okay, another way we could do it is 64 and then 4 zeros. Okay, we can only do that when it's whole numbers and it's only being multiplied by bases of 10 though. Okay, moving backwards now. So now we're dividing. Okay, when there's no decimal place, you have to put your own. We always put it at the very end of the number. So we need to move 2 spaces, 1, 2, and our new answer is 53. Okay, when we have decimals, first thing we're looking at is we are multiplying and we're moving our decimal 4 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4. My decimal ends over here. Because we have these blank spaces, we need to fill them in with zeros. So 607,200 is our answer there. Okay, again, when they don't give us a decimal, we have to put it in ourselves. It's at the very end of the number. We're dividing, so we're getting smaller and we're moving 3 spaces. 1, 2, 3. Okay, 0 and 948 thousandths is our final answer. Some of my classes did not get to number 3. I'm